बप्पी लेरी की वॉच लग रही है, क्या बात है. This is so amazing and so cool, especially for the price. Hi there, this is the newly launched Fire Boltt Quantum. But was this launched earlier? Well, I'm sure some of you might have even bought one. It sold 50k units in 2 hours on day 1 of sale. My god. और क्यों ना हो, it's got Bluetooth calling, stainless steel built, super premium Rolex watch look, Bluetooth earphone connectivity with support to save offline music on the watch. Amazing. But what's new with these ones? Well, it's got a little more optimized interface, it's got more sports modes and the new gold color bands. As you can see, I'm already wearing one. Fans of gold are absolutely going to love it. For 2999, इसका जो look है ना वो ऐसा लगता है जैसे लाखों की घड़ी है. I swear, someone is definitely going to ask you कौन सी watch है ये. Anyway, we won't be reviewing it in detail as it's mostly similar. However, I'll take you through an unboxing and a quick overview so you can decide if you should buy the new Quantum or not. Let's begin. So here is the retail packaging of the Fire Boltt Quantum. 2 new colors, Mocha Gold as well as the Raven Gold. I think they both look pretty nice. On the side here you can see some features, some more features mentioned here. Towards the back you can see the manufacturing details and the MRP of 19,999. But don't worry, you can get this for a lot lesser. So let's quickly open it up and we'll start with the Mocha Gold. Right on the top is the watch itself. Lots of paperwork that includes the Book My Show, Ghana, some more coupons, and of course the user manual. Then a strap adjustment tool, which I'll show you in just a moment how it works. And finally, the pogo pin charging cable that magnetically aligns and attaches to the watch charging terminals. The magnets are also really firm. If you pull it, it won't snap off easily. Let's check out Raven Gold, though I know the contents are going to be exactly the same. Wow, this is pure gold. This looks amazing, super premium. The same coupons and the user manual, the same strap adjustment tool, and the pogo pin charging cable. Alright, let's have a closer look at the watch and we'll start with the Mocha Gold. First we'll get rid of the screen protector. Oh wow, this looks so nice. So this is Mocha Gold and as you can see, the dial has this brown touch like mocha coffee. Looks so premium. I'm actually loving the way this watch looks. Stainless steel, super premium luxury smartwatch look. The body is made of stainless steel as you can see. You can even spot the speaker here, which is going to assist you for phone calls and voice assistant. On the other side, there's a single button microphone, which is also going to assist you for phone calls. Really solid looking smartwatch. Absolutely love it. As you can see, the straps too are made of stainless steel, really solid, have this gold touch on it, Fire Boltt branding on the loop. As you press this button, it opens up. Now moving towards the back too is made of stainless steel. You can spot the heart rate sensor, spirit sensor, and the charging terminals up here. Let's quickly have a look at the gold unit. This is the Raven Gold. Get rid of this screen protector. Wow, this has a touch of black on it, and by the way, this also rotates. I think this is really cool. This has a plastic on it. Even actually the Mocha Gold had it, but I removed it so that you can have a better look. This basically plastic is provided so that the straps don't get scratched in transit. But the same built, gold finish, glossy gold finish, looks so premium. Wow, बप्पी लेरी की वॉच लग रही है, क्या बात है. This is so amazing and so cool, especially for the price. There you go. And of course, same button on one side, speakers here, mic is here, and towards the back, the heart rate sensor, spirit sensor, charging terminals up here, and it's really well made watch. Stainless steel, gold, looks amazing. So let's wear the watch and see. There you go. So I actually have pretty thin wrist and that's why it's a little loose on my wrist. And though I know a lot of people who really like to wear their watch a little loose, so for them it's perfect. Oh, I'm loving this watch. It looks so premium. The gold really stands out. Now for those who would like to make their loops smaller, you can actually use this tool to remove some loops from here to fit your wrist perfectly. Let's see how it's done. So basically, you have to remove the pieces as per the size you need. Keep the watch inside here. Rotate this inside this dot area so the piece can be removed. There you go. Let's open up another piece. And there you go. We have removed it. And then fix it back. Let's wear it. Wow, this looks just perfect. The watch comes with IP67 rating, so it's dust and splash resistant. You can wear it in the rain or even for your workout. You don't need to worry. But I won't recommend you wear it in the pool for swimming. Alright, let's have a closer look at the display. Now this is a 1.28-inch LCD display with a resolution of 240 by 240 pixels. Now even though this is not a very high resolution display, you can see that the text is super crisp and even images look really nice. Now if you're talking about the bezels, here you can see that the bezels are almost negligible, and thanks to this frame, which also rotates by the way, it actually covers most of the bezels, leaving no black lines at all on the edges. So good. Now if you turn on this side, here you can see this is the green ring. It goes just exactly edge to edge. Now the interface also is really smooth. As you can see, swipe right, you can access the steps, sleep tracking, then there's blood pressure, there's heart rate, there's SpO2, and back to the home page. Now if you swipe from up, you can access the quick toggles, do not disturb, settings. If you go into the settings, there's brightness you can adjust, auto lock time that you can adjust, switch, H-band app. Dial is basically watch faces. And there is this blue watch face also, which I think looks really nice, gives the watch such a premium look. There's also black, by the way. There you go, black watch face. Actually, I really like this. It's actually gray and black, looks really cool. Then further down is notifications. You can choose call notifications, SMSs and app notifications. In about, erase data, power off. Coming back to the home page, press this button again to access the menu. You have workouts, pedometer, sleep tracking, heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen, phone calling, contacts, call logs, notifications, alarms. Alarm you can't set from the watch, you'll have to use the H-band app for that, stopwatch, timer, music. So you can pair your favorite Bluetooth earphones or headphones and listen to the music that's saved on the watch itself. It comes with 256 MB storage, so you can save about 60-70 songs. The process is fairly simple. We had shown this process in our previous Quantum video. Here's a quick look. Connect the charging cable to the watch, plug the USB side of the cable to the laptop or PC, and a drive will be detected. Simply drag and drop the MP3 files to the drive. It will take a couple of seconds and you're done. Now in the music app on the watch, you can play the music on the watch speaker or on the Bluetooth earphones. Amazing. Then further down, find phone, camera shutter, and back to settings. So overall, really smooth interface. I think it's been further optimized compared to the previous one, and it's really nice. Let's quickly check out phone calling. Now to make phone calls from this watch, go to the menu, go to the phone calling app, you'll find the dialer, simply dial the number and click dial. There you can see the phone call is being made. The audio hearing is from the speaker on the watch. It's not too loud but still good enough. You can also end the call directly from here. Similarly, you can also answer incoming calls on the smartwatch. You can see the caller's name, you can reject the call and answer the call. Now once you answer the call, you can talk directly using your smartwatch. It's really convenient. And of course, you can mute the microphone and end the call as well. Talking about the phone calling experience. The speaker is clear but best used indoors. Outdoors, you might have trouble hearing the other person. I wish the speaker got a little louder. Mics do a really good job as the caller didn't complain of any echo or disturbance. It's a pretty decent watch for phone calling. Then we briefly tested it for health monitoring as well, but I don't think anyone who's going to buy this watch is looking at that as a priority. After all, it's a smartwatch, so use these health parameter readings just for your reference and not for medical purposes. Coming to fitness and workouts, the watch comes with multiple fitness and workout modes. To access it, go to the menu, come into workouts. Here you'll see running and walking, and here you'll see so many other options: walking, treadmill, indoor running, trail running, long running, sprint, marathon. Then in cycling, there are so many cycling options. Then outdoor workouts, indoor workout, ball workouts, you have soccer, you have beach soccer, volleyball, oh my god, baseball, softball, badminton, squash, my god, handball, ooh, so many. However, keep in mind, water sports are not supported, but still a good amount of workout options are available. The Fire Boltt Quantum comes with 350 mAh battery that should last you about a week with typical use. But with Bluetooth calling, expect a maximum of 1 to 2 days. Let's have a quick look at the H-band companion app. Well, I'm not going through the whole interface, but just to give you a glance, here you can see your workout data, your pedometer, sleep data, heart rate. If you come into workouts, you can actually use the GPS from your phone to map your outdoor workouts more accurately. And I think that's really helpful, especially if you're going to use this watch for outdoor workouts. Then if you come to mine, here you can see the battery percentage. Here you can choose from which apps you want notifications and from which apps you don't. Alarm settings, sedentary reminders, heart rate reminders, turn wrist detection, pair the device. If you come into dial settings, you can choose the watch faces that come pre-installed. If you want to see more watch faces, you click here. This is where you can download more watch faces from. Check out, huge collection of analog and digital watch faces. Of course, most of them are analog because it's a round watch, looks even better. Now if you want to download a watch face from your phone gallery, you come to the second option here, and there you go, watch face is transferred, confirm. And finally, firmware upgrade, factory settings and reset. So overall a simple and easy to use interface. Also glad that it has GPS support on it, which is always helpful. Alright, final thoughts. So as I had mentioned in my previous Quantum video, I wish it came with an AMOLED display. But I think it's a small trade-off. For $2,999, the way it looks, the build quality and the premium design, it's a steal. By the way, this gold color especially will make the watch stand out even more. The gold variant goes on sale today, 31st of May. And by the way, that $2,999 price is just for today too. So grab it right away. I'll leave the links in the description for all the color options. If you'd like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.